Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this unicorn cake for Anisha who turned 3 a few weeks ago. Let's get started. First, I rolled out a long piece of fondant. Once it formed into a rope shape, I twisted it and gently rolled and pressed one end to create the unicorn horn. Then I inserted a floral wire in the center and let it dry for a few days. Next, I made the ears. I rolled 2 balls of fondant, flattened them slightly, and shaped them into unicorn ears. And once I was happy with the shape, I placed them on a thin piece of fondant and traced around each one to make a slightly larger backing piece. And I did the same one for the other ear so they match perfectly. Then I worked on the lettering using pink fondant as requested by the client. For the eyes, I used black fondant and hand cut them into eyelash shapes. This will go on the front of the cake. Now it was time to paint the horn and ears in gold. So I mixed some edible gold luster dust with cake alcohol to create a paint consistency and carefully painted each piece until I was happy with the shine. Now on to assembling the cake. It was a milk chocolate cake with milk chocolate ganache filling, and because the cake would be covered in white buttercream, I piped a border of white buttercream around the edge of each layer to prevent the chocolate ganache from showing through. I then covered the entire cake with buttercream, smoothed it out nicely, and chilled it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Once firm, it was ready to decorate. I attached the horn and ears to the top of the cake and placed the eyelashes at the front. Now for the fun part, piping the mane. The client requested 3 colors, mainly pink and purple, with a touch of blue. I used 3 different piping tips to create swirls and small star-shaped dollops all around the top and sides. Finally, I placed the lettering on the cake board, added some tiny white edible pearls for an extra cute touch, and finished it off with 3 candles. And here it is, a magical unicorn cake for Anisha's 3rd birthday. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what cake you'd like me to make next time. Thanks so much for watching.